Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 10, Exponents and Powers, example 8. The question is express the following number in standard form. So generally if we have number like this, we can express this as some value with a decimal point, again some value into powers of 10. So like this we will express the number. So here the value here, it will be generally the natural number. So only the natural numbers can be taken here before the decimal point, and then here it may be any number between 0 to 9. So here it is natural number means 1 to 9 we have to take whole number. Here it will be of whole number which will be of 0 to 9. Okay, and then here it is 10 power n. So the n again it varies depending upon the problem. Okay, so generally when we see the number, it is very small. So it will be of zeros before your natural number. Okay, so the first natural number we have to take where it starts. So here it is 0.0000 again 35. So how we can express it? The first natural number, it is nothing but 3. Okay, so after 3 only we have to keep the decimal point. So for that what we are going to do? So we have 0.000035, right? So this is the standard format. So in order to get the standard format, the first number it should be a natural number. So here the first natural number is nothing but 3, right? So natural number is nothing but 1 to 9. So here the first number it is nothing but 3. Okay, so after 3 only we have to take this decimal point. So how we can take that? Here this decimal point we have to move to the right like this. Okay, so one time it has been moved right, again second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time it has been moved to the right. So how we can write this number? 3.5 into 10 power of. So how many times we are moving right side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times it is moving right side. So we need to write it as 10 power minus 5. So generally whenever we have very small number, we can remember that the power will be of minus. Okay, and then whenever we have very big number, while expressing the term, the power will be of positive power. Okay, so remember that. So very small number, the power will be of negative power. Very big number, the power of 10 it will be of positive. Okay, or else you can remember that when we are moving the decimal point to the right side, we should make the power as minus. When we are moving the decimal point to the left side, then we can say that power as positive. In that way also you can remember. So generally it is very simple. If it is very small number, it will be expressed in power of negative powers of 10, and then very big number it will be expressed in powers of 10 with the power which will be of positive power. So here it is 3.5 into 10 power minus 5. That is for the first problem. Then coming to the second problem, it is 405 and then we have 4 zeros like this. So how we can express this? We need to consider the first natural number. Here what is the first natural number? Here it is 4. So I have to express this number as 4 point, right? So 4 point something into 10 power, like that I have to express. So here it is actually a proper whole number. Okay, so where I don't have any decimal point. So if there is no decimal point, meaning that we have decimal point at the end of the number. Okay, so at the end of the number we have decimal point, like that we have to consider. So this 4050000 I need to express as 4 point something. So what I have to do? This decimal point I have to move left side. So it will be moved to the left side 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time. Okay, so like this it will be moved. So 10 power of 6 I have to write because it is very big number. So power, it will be of positive power. So 4 point. So what are all the other values? You can exclude zeros. Okay, but other values we have to write. So what are all the other numbers? It is 0, 5. So 0, 5 I have to write into 10 power of 6. So it is nothing but 4.05 into 10 power 6. So at the end if we have repeated number of zeros continuously, those zeros you can exclude and write. Okay. So simple, if we have very small number, 10 power of some value will be there, it will be of negative power value, and then if it is very big number, okay, it is of 10 power of some value where power it will be of positive power. So decimal point here move to the right side, here the decimal point we have to move in the left side. Okay, so how many times you are moving in the left, that will be coming in the power. Thank you, thanks for watching.